If you're experiencing a data sync error on OhmConnect, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the error efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause data sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Restart the OhmConnect app. Close the OhmConnect app completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app's connection to the server and may resolve temporary glitches that cause the sync error. Step 3. Update the app. Check if there is an update available for the OhmConnect app in your device's app store. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes that may resolve sync errors. Step 4. Reconnect your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to OhmConnect's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken so they can assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the data sync error on OhmConnect. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.